National Vice President kasang NPP ubreru ukertong ka MDA2 ula Shah Jied khlem dadun be kun Pyrshah kumu MP Shah Rajya Sabha na Meghalaya. Kani gejing pentikna kelawan na kesengi bakut no kapor weng kerteng ha kaba James PK Sangma ule kendo ya returning officer badi opdiang sendon ne certificate jong gejing Shah Jied jong ha kapor lai pejejan miet. Ula penpau gejing sengu komen ba gejing sengu buram ban shim kene gejing ket kle kabakia ha Rajya Sabha. Bad ula kular ban mi kamat ke Jylla da gejing IT lot ba gejing le hok wala utip ba katan stilam mingi kadan gejing lu napat ka balak ban bo jing EU ban opor ban keren ha ke parlimen. Aga kamram ke betemai ka ba ulayo. James PK Sangma ula bo ye kimat ke bakam kamat ke ba utmu ban pun snow ha Rajya Sabha. Ingi kentup ya gejing pendrung ya ka ketian kasih bat garo ha ka kernet ke bapra jong keriti sencari ka badi kasur ba Jylla kalayai pen snow nado ki por ke menchua. Ula boru ban kran ni giwe kimat ke bakta ke tan dalam ini bat ula pen pau ke jingkut jengmut ban bot den bat ban pen telun cakamat ke resolution halor ke inline permit ka ba ke yeng dorbar tauan ke Jylla Meghalaya kladat menjur. Kenang ban yo ya ka jingpen snow ha ka Rajya Sabha. James PK Sangma ula temu ban tre tang ha parlimen nrai banong ubreu uberenti bat ubeso bat ke sarkar pedang New Delhi ula penpau bon shim ya ke benta ban bot den bat penbet ki skim baper bat ki program trekam ke sarkar pedang ke bertemu ban pentrekam ha ke Jylla Meghalaya kani kan long ke jingarap ke bakrau ban pentikna bagi tenak baper kini ke jingarap ke babiang na ke benta ki kam penroy ke Jylla berkawai la benrap syusyu James PK Sangma.
I just visited the returning officer and the process for the last date for withdrawal, which was slated for 3 p.m. today, was completed. And after that, I have just now received my certificate of election from the hands of the returning officer. And I just want to say this that I feel deeply humbled, and yet at the same time I feel very, very honored to be shouldering this responsibility. I know it is a very, very big responsibility to represent our state of Meghalaya in the upper house, and knowing my responsibility fully well, I intend to carry this responsibility with all my dedication and my sincerity. It is always a challenge, because to speak in the parliament, to get an opportunity to express yourself is on a representative basis. So, because of less numbers of MPs in the northeast, it's always a challenge. But I believe that persistence, patience is something that I will need to ensure that I have that in plenty, and I will keep always press for more time be allotted, especially because there are many, many issues, not just in our state of Meghalaya, but in the entire region, the northeast, that need that kind of voice in parliament. So it will always be, my endeavor to impress and stress upon the fact that northeast needs a lot of more talking room and talking space and talking time in parliament. The priorities there are plenty. I mean, of course, from the Meghalaya perspective, we all know that we are pushing for inclusion of Khasi and Garo in the age schedule. Then there are many other issues that Meghalaya has in terms of the voice that we want to be heard in Meghalaya in Parliament. But of course, there are other issues in the northeast as well that need to be highlighted. See, as we all know, this is an issue which has been passed in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly as a resolution. So it is my bounden duty as a representative of the state to carry forward that resolution so that it finds a voice in the halls of the Rajya Sabha. So yes, I will be pursuing this matter. The vision and mission, of course, the roles and responsibilities, everyone knows what the roles and responsibilities of an Honourable Member of Parliament is. Namely, it is to raise issues in the upper house of Parliament, and that is something that I am well aware of, and as I was just mentioning that these will be issues which we will be taking up. Others are, of course, in my role as a Member of Parliament, I can also play the role of somebody in New Delhi, where governmental programs, schemes can also be pursued in respective government departments. So I will be offering my services to the government also to take up those kind of matters. Because we share considerable international border with Bangladesh. And for us as a state, if we are to look at border trade, look east rather than look east, look south makes more sense for us. So yes, there will be a lot of collaborations and interactions with the Ministry of Commerce and Industry to see how we can have more ways and means of increasing that amount of trade. Territorial integrity of India has to be maintained at any cost, and if there are attempts for illegal immigration, that what you're mentioning, yes, there are government agencies which are already looking into that, and I, as an MP, lend my support to whatever work which is being done by the government of India, and in whatever way that I can play a part in that, I am more than willing to play a part.